7th standard students, welcome back to the class 7. I think so all are fit and fine and all are enjoying the mathematics videos of class 7. So this is the last part of your fraction part for your examination purpose. Okay, so dear students, observe this question. I am solving the exercise number 2.2, that is 17th question. So dear students, 17th question says 15 chairs were purchased by a school for rupees 1706 integer 1/4. Find the cost of each chair. Means here see the question says 15 chairs were purchased by a school for rupees 1706 integer 1/4. Find the cost of each chair. Okay, so dear students, so look after here, given that is 15 chairs cost for rupees how much they are given, that is 1706 integer 1/4. They are told to find the cost of each chair. So therefore for cost of each chair, so we know that, so you need to find the cost of each chair. Yes, each chair means cost of one chair. Okay, so cost of each chair means each chair we have, that is 1706 integer 1/4 divided by 15. We have 15. So again, what do you see now? So again, this is fraction by whole number. Okay, so this is 1706 integer 1/4. You have to divide with 15. Okay, so dear students, first you convert, this is in the form of mixed fraction, you convert in the form of improper fraction. So what you have to do, dear students, so see here 1706, you multiply first 4 6 are 24, 4 as it is, 4 0 are 0, 0 into anything is 0, that is remaining is only 2. 7 4s are 28, write 8, write 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6824 plus how much? 1. So 4 plus 1, 5, 2, 8, 6. So this will become as 6825. 6825 by 4. That is, this is division. So make this multiplication by taking 1/15. So again you need to do simplest form. So if you do simplest form, I write this as, I use 3 table. So 3 5s are 15. So again this is 3 1s are 3. So again this is 1 remains. 3 6 are 18. Okay, 3 6 are 18. So again how much remains? 25. So is it divisible by 5? No. So just to go with 5 table. So I go with 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. How much remains? 18 it is. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 means 32. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30 and 5 5s are 25. So see here 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. How much remains? 1 remains, means 1 here 1 remains. If it remains once means you should write this as, you have to write this, you have to consider this as 18. So this is 18 means 5 3s are 15. 3 remains, 32 will becomes. 5 6 are 30, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25. So you can write this 1365 by 4 into 1/5 3s are 15 means you should write this 3. So again see, is it divisible by 3? So see here, just check it. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 1 remains, 3 5s are 15. Again 1 remains, 3 5s are 15. Means you are remaining 455 by 4. So the improper fraction remaining is 455 by 4. Okay, so this you have to convert in the form of mixed fraction. If you convert in the form of mixed fraction means 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, again 15, that is 4 3s are 12. Again how much remains? 4 3s are 12 means 3 by 4. So 113 integer 3/4 is the cost of each chair. So therefore cost of each chair, cost of each chair is how much? That is 13 integer 113 integer 3 by 4. Okay, so please note down this problem. Okay, first thing, write 15 chair cost rupees 1706 integer 1 by 4. Cost of each chair is 1706 1 by 4 divided by 15. So this you convert is in the form of mixed fraction. You convert in the form of improper fraction. If you convert this in the form of improper fraction, so this will getting 6825 by 4 into 1 by 15. Then do reduce form, getting 136 by 4 into 1 by 3. Again do reduce form, getting 455 by 4. So this is in the form of improper fraction. Convert in the form of mixed fraction, 113 integer 3 by 4. So cost of each chair is 113 integer 3 by 4. Okay dear students, please note down this problem. Okay, hello dear students, now welcome back to the one more question of exercise number 2.2, that is the 18th question. So 18th question says, by what number should be 6 integer 2 by 9 be multiplied to get 7 integer 1 by 9. Okay, so dear students, one more question means here one number is given x, what number should be multiplied? I choose that k, and the number one more given, that is x. When two numbers they are given and one number you need to find. By what multiplying, what will get as answer as 7 integer 1 by 9 they are asking. Okay, so dear students, the question says, by what number should be 6 integer 2 by 9 be multiplied to get 7 integer 1 by 9. Okay, so dear students, so see here, first I will write the given thing. So therefore the given thing, by what number? Means this one 6 integer 2 by 9 I multiply with k. So let that number be multiplied by k, which is equals to 7 integer 1 by 9. Okay, so dear students, so this is the question. According to the question, so this is the equation, that is 6 integer 2 by 9 should be multiplied with any constant k, that answer should get 7 integer 1 by 9. So which number should be multiplied to get 7 integer 1 by 9? So this is the question they are asking. Okay dear students, so see here, so I write k is equals to 7 integer 1 by 9 divided by 6 integer 2 by 9. Okay, so this is the question. So you know that 9 sevens are you already know it is 63. 63 plus 1 is 64 by 9 divided by, so 9 6 are, so 9 6 are it is 54. 54 plus 2 is, it is 56 by 9. So this is 56 by 9. So dear students, so it is 64 by 9 into 9 divided by 56. So 9 get cancelled. So this is 8 8s are 64. This is 8 7s are 64. The answer is getting this as 8 by 7. So this is 8 by 7. Again it is in the form of improper fraction. You convert in the form of mixed fraction. So 7 1s are 7. 1 remains 1 by 7. So 7 integer, that is 7. That is 1 integer 1 by 7 is your required answer. Okay dear students, so this is the solution for the 18th question. So please dear students note down, they are getting as 1 integer 1 by 7. Hello dear students, now welcome to the last question of your exercise, and this is up to your syllabus of periodic test 1. So this is 25 liters of milk was distributed equally among all the students of a hostel. If each student got 3 by 5 liters of milk, how many students are there in the hostel? Okay, so dear students, so one more question. 25 liters of milk was distributed equally among all the students of a hostel. If each student got 3 by 5 liters of milk, how many students are there in the hostel? So see here, total quantity of the milk. First write the given thing, that is total quantity, alright, total quantity of milk is how much? Total quantity of the milk is how much? That is 24 liters. 24 liters. Okay, and that is milk given to each and every student. So that is to quantity of milk given to each student. Each student is how much? that is 3 by 5 liters. They are told to find how many students are there in the hostel. Means they need to find the number of students in hostel. So number of students in the hostel means what you have to write? You have to write that it is 24 divided by 3 by 5. Means 1 is hidden, means I am going to solve here. It is 24 divided by 3 by 5. Okay, 1 is hidden, means again you have to take the reciprocal. That is 24 into 5 by 3. So this is 3 ones are 3 eights are. So number of students in the hostels are 40. So the number of students in the hostel are 40. First is total quantity of the milk is 24 liters. Next is quantity of milk given to each and every student is 3 by 5 liters. And one more, number of students in the hostel is 24 divided by 3 by 5. So this 24 divided by 3 by 5, you can take the reciprocal, you can write 24 into 5 by 3, and 3 ones are 3 eights are 8 fives are 40. So the number of students, so therefore the number of students in hostel are 40. Number of students in a hostel are 40. Okay, so please note down this problem. Okay, so and this completes your exercise number 2.1.